What is up, my beautiful family? Today we are going to discuss about how to optimize your Amazon ads. Are you the one who is crying over getting more ACOS and getting less sales on your Amazon spend? The problem is that you don't know how to optimize your Amazon ads. It's not that Amazon ads don't work. Time and again people come and say that they are getting a lot of high ACOS but less sales. In this video I'm going to break down as to how to optimize your Amazon ads and how can you get more sales with low ACOS. Just before we start the video, I just want to request you, if you really like the video, hit a thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Every time I post a new video, you're going to get a notification and that may help you to grow your business. Let's get back to the video where I will show you how to optimize your Amazon ads.
Folks, this is the data. This is actual data from my Search Central, and I've just altered a lot of keywords and everything. Okay, but data, clicks, impressions, cost, everything is the same. So how do I like to optimize this? First of all, I like to delete all the irrelevant columns. So let me get rid of the columns which I don't need. Okay, click-through ratio I don't need. Let's go with the I'll hide those columns which I don't need. Okay, so we are looking at 7-day advertising SKU as an order, which is very important to understand, and we look at 7-day advertising sales. Okay, so I'm going to hide the columns which I don't need. I don't need this as well. Impressions, spend, advertising, ACOS. Fine, cool. So this is the spreadsheet that I like to see. Okay, now I like to optimize the ad campaigns by match type. Okay, so if you can see all these 4 types, there is broad, exact, phrase, and this is the dash one is the auto campaign. Okay, so let's start with the phrase one. Okay, in the phrase I like to sort everything by the maximum orders, and secondly what I see is the ACOS. So if you don't know ACOS is nothing but spend divided by sales, which is, say, spend, okay, divided by sales, which is 9.3%. If you can see, it's exactly the same, right? This number. Now you have to be very careful that ACOS generally shouldn't be more than your margin, okay, in order for you not to make loss. Now let's say if you have a product margin after all the cost, everything, as say before PPC, before advertisement, say 20%. So the ACOS shouldn't be more than 20%. If you are doing an ACOS for a keyword for more than 20%, it means that you're making a loss on the product sale. Now why do you have to have this kind of ACOS, which is not more? So let's say if you are having this, let's say if I have a product margin of 20% and my ACOS is 9%, 9.3%, and I'm still crying that I want even lesser ACOS. Now you have to understand, if you have a lesser ACOS, it is good, but let's say if you did not run ads today and you did not get these sales. Now a lot of people do cry that I want lesser ACOS. Now you have to understand that the ACOS generally goes down over a period of time once you start ranking organically. So you have to be very careful that if you wouldn't have run this ad, you wouldn't have got these many sales, and these are like the additional bonus apart from your organic ones. So you got 29 new sales, which is pretty good, and if this ACOS is less than your profit margins, it's super cool, right? So you are making some profit, otherwise you wouldn't have made that kind of sales. Okay, so what I like to see is all my ACOS should be less than my profit margin, which is the step 1, which is pretty cool. Okay, and see, these all keywords are profitable for me because I have 20% as my margin. So all these keywords are profitable for me and they've got me sale. So what I do is I like to move everything which is doing well in my phrase campaign to exact campaign and test these keywords in exact campaign as well. So what I do is I filter anything greater than or equal to 2 orders. Now anything which is doing well for me in my phrase campaign and has got me orders more than 2, I click on these keywords and I take these keywords. So this is the phrase. I've made this column. I'll just quickly explain you. So I'll copy these keywords and I'll put it in exact. So basically anything which is doing well in phrase campaign, I'll put in exact campaign, which has got more than 2 orders, and anything which is not doing well, I'll put in the negative match. Okay, so that I can do. So this is what I will do in the phrase campaign. But since I don't, if you see, I'll filter it again. I'll go to sort and filter, I go to match types, I will go to the phrase, and if you see, I haven't got any of the items which are not doing well and doesn't have and has a high cost, so I'm not going to do anything with this in the negative column. Now let's go with the exact one. Now I like to see if again my ACOS is pretty much good, so I don't have any problems. I can't do anything much in this, so I'll just keep it as it is, and I'll move to next campaign. We'll go with the broad one now. In the broad campaign, if you see, I have only 2 items which are actually making sales for me. I've got 1 units. Rest all are killing, like, I'm spending money, because you can see there is no ACOS, there is no sale, there is no units. I'm just spending a lot of money. And if you see, just by this, I've spent like 8,000 rupees and I've not got any of the sales. Now what I do is, I like to filter this 7-day advertising SKU by 0 orders, and then I look at the spend of the keywords which is more than, greater than or equal to 30, and I look for at least 5 clicks, greater than or equal to 5 clicks. So now these are the keywords where I've spent a lot of money and I have not got any sale. So I copy these keywords and I go to the broad and I put these into exact negative match. I'll show you what that means. And if you see, in broad, these 2 things, these 2 keywords has performed well, so I'll copy these and I'll move these into phrase match. Okay, now negative exact match is something where in your campaign you can exactly go and put these keywords as exact match, so any customer who types these keywords, they won't be shown your ads. So in this way what happens is you are lowering your ACOS, because these keywords are any which is not converting for your product and you're not making any sales, you're just spending a lot of money. So when you convert these into the negative ones, what will happen is you will not spend any kind of money on these things. And this is how I actually optimize my ads. I put everything which is working in broad to phrase, and things which are not working I put into negative exact. Don't put it in negative phrase, put it in negative exact. So this is how you actually optimize your ads for maximum sales and lower ACOS. Okay, so now I quickly show you where to add negative keywords and where to find them. You have to go to your advertisement campaign. This is a test campaign. Go to the negative keywords, add negative keywords. You can see 2 options, negative exact and negative phrase. You have to go to negative exact, type the keyword which you need to put into the negative match. Let's say it's toy, dog, collars for dogs.
If you enjoyed this video and you really liked the video, if you found any value in this video, please hit the subscribe button below. I hope you like this video, and if you really got value from this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. I keep posting at least once a week about all things e-commerce, specifically about Amazon. And let me know what is your ACOS for some of your campaigns that you're running. My ACOS for this video and for this campaign was around 7.6%. So let me know. I'd be glad to hear about your ACOS. So comment below what kind of ACOS are you getting, and I'll see if I can actually help you with more of the advertisement videos. Thank you for now.